Hello everyone, right now we are here at the house and lot of Joshua, here in top of the mountain. Once you once you see this place, it's very amazing. You will enjoy. I'm sure you will enjoy once you come here in this place. Take a look, guys. It's very exciting once you come here. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to both of you who are here, who is gathering here. Oh, oh. What can you say? Can you say something? Can you say something about your outing here? About how when you coming here, is everybody happy? Enjoy yourself. Feel like home. Are, Are, can you say something? Did you enjoy? Did you enjoy yourself? Feel like home, Are. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to both of you who are watching right now in this video. Please keep on watching. And until for now, until next video, bye-bye.